everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. I hope that you find something here you enjoy. If you're new, I hope you will stick around for a while and maybe hit the subscribe button. And for those who are returning, thank you so much. You are greatly, greatly appreciated. I have some things to show you today from GBFKE. There's some fun stuff here, fun stuff. Are you ready to see what I have to show you? Let's get into it. All right. So I have this cute little bear, and he's just like sleeping in a, I don't know what, is he in a little basket, just sleeping, hanging out? I don't know what's going on there. The moon's in the background. I've got some fireflies. I don't know what's happening. He's just sleeping in his little basket of flowers. There were a couple varieties of this, different, a little different, but similar. And this is the one I liked the best, so I picked him out. He's got 8 different drills, and look at this. All of this is special drills. This whole basket is special drills. The blue in the background does not get any drills. The moon back here does not get drills. I'm assuming it's a moon, right? But so the bear will get probably rhinestones, and that's like, I don't know, I think it's the handle to the basket he's in or something. I don't know what it is. It was just super cute. I had to try it. So let's look at our drills and see what we get. A lot of specials down here. That will be fun. Whole bunch of teardrops. So let's get to it. What do we have? We have some rhinestones, of course. So we have a bunch of clear rhinestones. 2 bags of the clear. That will be the bear itself, right? Then we have, that's almost like a greenish yellow color. Some gold. That's it for the rhinestones. That's it. So that's going to be that ring or the handle or whatever that is. The rest are the specials. Here we go. Very pretty magenta teardrop. Beautiful. A clear teardrop. 2 bags of clear teardrops. Yeah, 2 bags. Okay. Some gold marquise. Some pretty little blue pearly teardrops. And some red rounds. Those are probably going to go in the centers of these like flower groupings, right? Super cute, right? So I had to try that one. Lots of special drills, so many fun special drills. But guess what? I have one that is not. Look at that. It is not a special drill. What do you think? Well, first of all, I think it needed some white lettering. That's my first thing, because look at this. Well, it is white, but it's very, very pale white. So pale white that it's not hardly white at all. Anyhow, that's a lot of dark background. 18 colors. What is that? 310, of course. But I mean, it'll be so striking with the black background and then all of the different printed petals on that sunflower. That was what's so cool about it. We have some, polka dot ones. We have stripes. I mean, all kinds of fun stuff. I just thought I would try it. I mean, every once in a while I'll find a full drill that I'm just like, yeah, that would be worth trying. Anyhow, these come pre-bagged. Oh, no, they don't. I'm wrong. They are not pre-bagged. They are these little guys right here. Oh, I'm not a fan. I thought, I thought we've gotten rid of these, but I guess not. These little 200 packs like this. Yeah. And all of that is black. Anyhow. Yeah. Pretty colors, but not a fan of those drills. So, yeah, it is what it is. It's not a deal breaker. You can do it. You can do it, but, I'd prefer not to. Let's just put it that way. So there's my pretty sunflower. All right. I've been into butterflies lately, of course. Here's a tray, so you know what the toolkit looks like. Okay. Into butterflies. I just did another butterfly unboxing in another video, very similar to this. And so it probably came in the same grouping. The other butterfly was over here, and his flowers were over here. So kind of reversed. Yeah, and that other one I just unboxed was supposed to have some ABs in it, but it didn't. Let's see what this one has with it. Let's see. This has 8 different drills. What do we get here? Who knows? That's the fun of the special drill stuff. You just never know what you're going to get until you're in it, and you got it, right? Okay, so let's start with some ruby red. Ruby red. Purple. Beautiful magentas. Yes, 2 bags of beautiful, beautiful magenta. Love it. Blue, a gold, Now we have some slivers. I've already checked this out. There are not many slivers, so that's good. We have some beautiful pink iridescent marquise and some white pearls. So those little slivers, that little bit of slivers right there, they're just right here. They make these flowers. And again, I'll say this, just give us a flower. Just, one of those flat flowers, boom, 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 and you'd be done. Wouldn't it be pretty? But there's where the little slivers are, just these few flowers here. That is very doable. Very, very doable. We're going to have slivers. Let's have them that way, right? Okay, there's another butterfly. None of this gets drilled back here. None of that. Just the butterfly and the flower. Big flower here, like a daisy or something. Okay. All right, I looked at the canvas, and that says 210 AB is what number 1 is supposed to be. But these are not AB. I mean, they're just not. They're just regular drills. So I don't know. Somewhere along the line, that got kind of messed up. Do you see any AB on that? They're shiny, but they're not AB. Anyhow, that is the confusion. It did not say AB on the bag or anything like that. I looked at the canvas, and I'm like, nope, they're supposed to be AB. They're not glow in the dark, but they're not AB. All right, so that is that's the confusion cleared up right there. There's that one. All right, you guys are going to laugh at this one, but I had to. Had to do this one. Look at it. Look at it. It is a little chick. It is so stinking cute, right? So cute. Oh my gosh. It's just this little chick and flowers all around it. They had other animals too. If chickens and chicks are not your thing, they had other animals. You can find, I don't know, 6, 7 different ones. I don't know. This has 8 different drills. Love it. Super cute. Got some big ones here. Got some special ones. Let's look and see what they are. Love to find out what the specials are. Right? All right. I just couldn't resist. These too cute. I don't think we're going to get any chicks this year. I think we're just going with what we have. Yep. So here's our rhinestones. So we have a clear rhinestone, a green, a peachy rhinestone, rosy peach color. And I think this is the same. Some gold, brownish gold. No, one looks darker than the other. Yep, this one's darker than the other. And some orange. And then we have these red teardrops and some red rounds. So the red rounds go in the center of those, and the little teardrops go up here and here and here and here, all over the place. Okay, cute. Like I said, couldn't resist. Had to do it. Had to do it. Maybe you'll find an animal you like. Go look. I'll link it, and you can look and see which animal you find that you might want. Anyhow. And then, okay, owls. You guys know I have a whole bunch of owl special drills, and they're coming out with a whole bunch of new owls in a different style, but I'm loving them. So all of this background, no drills. The owl is fully drilled, and then we have hearts around the outside. They're so pretty. I'm in love with the owls lately. I don't remember how many I have gotten so far to show you, but I'm in love with the owls. There's just a bunch of them. I hope I don't duplicate. That's what, my fear is I'm going to get the same ones, but I'm going to try not to. I had to laugh when I got this. So there's 3 little shards in here, 3 little gold shards. And I was like, gold shards? It's all purple and pink. It's just for his beak right there. That's it, right there. 1. That's all you need right there. All right. What do we have? Some pretty stuff. Oh, my goodness. All right. So I think these are the same. Oh, maybe not. No, that one's a little darker again. Lighter purple, darker purple. Pretty, though. Lots of them, right? Pink rhinestones. That's it. That's it for the rhinestones, folks. So the purples are, of course, going to go down here on his body. The pinks will go around the hearts and then around his eyes, right? That's where the pinks will go. Okay, the rest are specials. There's our hearts. There's the hearts. And then look at that. Neon almost pink. Wow. Where are those going to go? And then there's white. These are like the little snowflake star looking drills. I don't know if they're snowflake, a star. I'm calling them snowflakes, but pretty. Oh, and then we have those bigger ones in a clear, like iridescent. That's beautiful. Wow. So that's going to go on all of the little wing tips. The D's are going to go on all the little wing tips. These white ones are going to be up here, I think. Yeah. And the pinks are going to be up there. Oh my gosh. How pretty. I'm loving the owls, you guys. Just, you're going to have to bear with me for a while. You're probably going to see more owls on the way. So I hope you like owls. You know, I'm into birds, apparently, or things that fly. Well, you don't fly well. We're into things that fly, right? Flying creatures. That's what I'm into. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you can enjoy some flying creatures in your life today. See some birds. Look for some butterflies. You know, you want to come see ducks? They're in my house. Okay. Anyhow, have a great day. I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, you guys.